In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can add video or audio file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Following that, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, select Files category. Now you can pick your file right away from here, select one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner, sorry misclick, to access one of those sources. You can also go back to recent files and click on Audio Filter at the top. Whatever you decided to do when you are done, just hold your file that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, my audio was successfully added. If you want to add a video instead, click on Gallery section, tap on your video right away over here and select one of those options, Google Photos link or low quality video. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, just hit Add at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!